Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? It's your man Charlie Anthony back with another FYI DIY video. And I'm excited. As you can see in the box in front of me, my long tube headers came in by OBX Racing for my 2013 Durango with the 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine in it. And going to be replacing these headers that I have on there pretty soon because the bolt snapped on the manifold, so it's time. I already have the mid muffler delete, the X pipe, and 2 Boiler Pro XS mufflers, so this is definitely going to be a great addition to it. As you can see, I have the thermal wrap for it. That's one of the rolls there, steel cable ties. And we're going to be doing a video on both. We're going to be doing a video on wrapping the headers, and we're going to be doing a video on the installation of the headers. So stay tuned. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and stay tuned. I'm out of here.